Let's learn IIB. Today, I will show you how to run Transformation Advisor tool that you get with ACE FixPack 7. ACE FixPack 7 provides a built-in Transformation Advisor command which provides support for analysis of your IIB version 10 integration node. It will tell you if there are any potential issues when you move your architecture from node to using integration servers and containers. If you run the TA data collector command, a static HTML file is produced. The HTML file lists any issues that are found for each integration server under the integration node. First, I will deploy a few applications from my GitHub repository. Refer my video description for link to my GitHub repository. Create a backup file of your IBM integration bus version 10 integration node by running the MQSI backup broker command. I have seen MQSI backup broker available on WMB version 6 and above. Screen shows the arguments used and an explanation for those arguments. When you back up your broker to a zip file, you are exporting the contents of components folder and registry folder from var MQSI location. Based on your broker, its deployed components, based on its console log files, and so on, you could end up creating a large zip file which can take several minutes and hundreds of MB. Caution advised. On ACE 11 FixPack 7 command console, or in my case FixPack 8, run TA data collector command as shown. The data collector command will create a report as a HTML static page. Zip file will be unpacked into TA data collector directory. So, on successfully executing the run command, those unpacked components and registry files will be removed. The Transformation Advisor command creates two JSON files and one HTML file as shown. Open the HTML file. You will see something similar to what is shown on screen. Components and registry files are extracted into independent integration server by Transformation Advisor tool to build the information shown on screen. Do you think the effort displayed by the tool is a fair assessment? Have you used the Transformation Advisor tool? Reply in comments.